Guess what you're gonna do? Mommy's getting you a bird watching chart, and you're gonna see if you can find all those birds, okay? Mommy, show her a chart. You were looking for a dinosaur? Okay, you look for a dinosaur, buddy.
Are you gonna find a dinosaur?
Okay. Let me see your chart, Zoe. Keep it safe, eh? We're looking for these birds.
What a bird.
What type of bird is that? Egyptian goose.
Yeah?
Let's look for him. How many birds did you see? I'm following your footprints, yes. That's
Now we found their footprints.
okay. Now we follow their footprints. Can you see any birds yet?
We saw one.
Go up there with mommy and them.
Far away. There. Are they gone? Stand to the back. Don't get up. Yes, that's our hummingbird. Which one? No, you must only mark the ones that you saw.
Jy praat nonsens. Hy het alles gesien nou. Okay.
Red Bishop.
A baby? Yes. Dad?
Mommy, thank you.
Put your hand on his train.
That's in here.
Touch him there. Yeah.
Let's go back, guys.
Dangerous. Dangerous. You're showing them the wrong thing. Do you know what we do in all of those? It says metal, glass, plastic and paper. It's about recycling.
Do you know what recycling is, Zoe? It's a very important lesson you got to learn in life.
What is recycling?
Reuse. Old
Reduce
things.
and recycle.
Who does that in the Paw Patrol?
Rocky.
Rocky does it. Like Rocky, you got to reuse and recycle. Just no problem. Liam, you're getting a life jacket, dude. There we go. You want to drive? You can also ask if you can drive, okay?
You're the man, you're the man. You're the man. You're the man, get in. Oh, there we are going, though. nothing of the.
Alright.
The word Intaka means bird, Nisikosa. So we are a 16-hectare nature reserve, trying to conserve mostly bird species. So we get to see about 120 different birds that come through to Intaka on an annual basis.
Liam, lights out.